Good morning. Well, we are getting into a big time of year for travel as we're heading into the holidays. And good news for anybody hitting the roads or maybe flying out today. We don't have any weather that's really going to cause any issues for you. The one thing I would say is maybe you want to get the heater going in your car this morning if you park outside. It is a little cooler out there this morning than it was yesterday, so you might want to get your car toasty. Looking at some green lights for travel for today. We've got a little bit of a breeze for this evening. You may notice that as you're driving tonight, but overall, it is looking quiet and looking good as far as the weather's concerned. Looking at our temperatures, again, below freezing. We're at 28 degrees in Fargo. It's 30 in Grand Forks. We are at a cool 21 in Oaks right now, so it's a little chillier there. And then there are some places that are still above freezing. Badette's checking in at 34. And we will see those temperatures turn around once that sun comes up in a little over an hour here. Our wind is light, less than 15 miles per hour. Our main report coming in from the south in general here, so some milder air moving in. And radar and satellite map is quiet. We've got no clouds to really show you here except for just a couple that were moving by to the north of the border. Otherwise, it's quiet in the region. So no clouds means, of course, no precipitation as well. So that also means we'll get to enjoy that sun bright and early this morning once it's up, and we'll get to keep it around for much of the daylight hours today. So here's a look at what to expect heading into the noon hour. You can see temperatures recovering, getting into the 40s, even around 50 degrees at that point. Wind does start to increase a little. We're looking at winds that'll be gusting into the teens to near 20 around the lunch hour. And then this afternoon, we do see a few more clouds moving in, but there are going to still be a lot of areas through the afternoon hours that get to enjoy that sunshine. And temperatures will be ranging from some mid 40s to some mid, maybe even some upper 50s for today. So close to yesterday, maybe just a couple of degrees off of our highs from yesterday here, with that wind starting to increase more and more heading into the evening hours. So this is 6 p.m. You see more clouds in the north. You see that wind picking up. It gets more breezy, and this continues on into tonight, which is a good thing. You want clouds overnight. You want those winds to be a little stronger overnight to keep those temperatures up this time of year. And we're looking at some numbers that will be in the 30s to some low 40s to start off tomorrow morning. Now, heading into Thursday, let's talk about the chances for snow and wind too. The wind really starts to get going as we work our way into the day Thursday. You see by noon, we've got that wind turning northwesterly, gusts into the 30s, and snow chances, snow showers drifting through right along Highway 2 and points north is where the focus will be. And even that snow should be light. The issue is that there's going to be wind as that's falling, so we might have some visibility problems during the daytime hours Thursday as that snow is passing by. So that's what we'll be watching for in the forecast here for the rest of the work week. But it's otherwise staying mild. We're looking at temperatures into the 40s to around 50 degrees this weekend, and then continuing into next week, we start that slide back down into some cooler numbers by the time we get into Thanksgiving. Now, chances for precip. We may see a little bit of rain on Monday, maybe a light mix on Monday, and then Black Friday could be interesting, watching out for some snow. So shoppers will want to make sure you're checking the forecast with us in the VNL weather app. Of course, you can always check and track. I'm combining my words here. The radar on the app here and wherever you're headed for the holiday season as well.
Yeah, and you want to make sure you're doing that, staying informed. Important time here. Lisa, thank you.